What's up, everyone? Grizzly Bear 831 back again here to bring you another unboxing. This time I'm gonna unbox Avid by Ajmal. I already took it out of the brown box since it was only one fragrance. And this is it right here. I'm gonna open it right now. Uh, Let me check it out. See my first impressions too. Here's the box. It's a nice looking box, like refreshing box. Ice cubes all over. And here's what the bottle looks like. Just like an ice cube too. Little ice cube, I guess. Um, Let me try it. Very nice looking bottle. Yeah. Alright. So the juice is pretty nice looking color. Light blue. And it smells fresh, aquatic. Really aquatic and fresh. So that's gonna be first impressions. That's and I'm gonna be reviewing it to see how it holds up and everything else. See if it smells any different. For now, it smells alright. Aquatic fruity. Alright, so that's gonna be it for today. Thanks for watching and peace.